how to find Instagram password and username. So if you want to find your Instagram password and username, then first of all you have to open up your Instagram application, and after opening your Instagram, go to your profile, which is on the bottom right corner, and now on the upper left corner you will have a username. So that's your Instagram's username. And if you want to know your password, then unfortunately Instagram don't have that option. But if you want to know your password, that is another option. You can simply go to the upper right corner, which has a 3-bar icon, and then head over to settings and privacy and go to account center, which is on the first option. And now you can go to password and security, and under password and security, here you can go to change password, which is on the first option, and choose Instagram. And from here you can simply enter your current password, and then you have to change your password. So that's the only way to know your password. But if you forgot your password, then you will have forgot your password option. You can simply click on that, and then you can reset or recover it. So that's it. That's the only way to know your password on Instagram. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.